Hello, my name's Tamara Densmore, and I'm the Medical Director of Revitalization Medical Institute. The Institute is based in Sarasota, Florida, but I do treat patients from other parts of Florida and other parts of the United States. I practiced over 15 years in pathology, so I got to see a lot of the end result of chronic disease. Became convinced that there has to be a better way. It's much better to prevent chronic disease than it is to treat the end result. I take a very comprehensive approach to anti-aging medicine. It involves nutritional counseling, exercise counseling, supplementation of essential nutrients, bioidentical hormone replacement, and counseling on emotional well-being. I prefer not to use the term alternative medicine. It gives people the impression that we're outside of the mainstream of traditional medicine, when actually a lot of the recommendations we make to patients are the same ones that our mothers and grandmothers made to us when we were children. To exercise more, to get outside more, to eat better. The only difference now is that we have scientific studies to back it up. Nutrition is essential. Food is the strongest medicine we have. I think eating well is a gradual process. Most of us have gotten into tremendously bad habits. Fast food, processed food, food with pesticides. And it's a very slow process with patients to help them make better choices. You can't look at somebody and just say, eat better. You can't look at someone and say, go clean out your pantry and do a better job this time. It's a very slow process. I try to tell patients to shoot for a good B average. We aren't perfect. I'm not perfect. I struggle with it every day. It's an ongoing process of improvement, and the simpler we make it, the more likely we are to succeed. It's as simple as that. It's the same with nutritional supplementation. You can't give somebody 45 capsules a day and expect them to do that for the rest of their lives. You need to pick and choose and try to find out what's going to work for that patient. Also, really guiding people toward organic foods and using supplementation to make up for the lack of nutrients that are currently in most of our food sources. Bioidentical hormone replacement is a lot more than just the sex hormones. It involves health of the thyroid, health of your adrenal glands, and a lot of other organ systems that people don't typically think about and are not part of a traditional medicine approach. Bioidentical hormone replacement is important. For many men and women, they can make very little progress in physical fitness without bringing those levels back to healthy levels that you see in a 30 or 40-year-old. We're not here to make weightlifters. We're not here to make sports superstars. We're here to optimize your health. And I think bioidentical hormones really do play a role in that. They also actually play a role in emotional well-being. Men talk a lot about losing their drive, feeling more uncertain, less decisive, not having the spark that they used to have. Replacement of testosterone leads to improvement of all your lipid profiles, can lead to improvement in blood pressure, can lead to a host of other wonderful effects. Increase in lean body mass, decrease in adipose tissue, especially around the waist area, which we know causes chronic inflammation and leads to disease. For women, it's a lot about smoothing over the changes of perimenopause and menopause. We've just started realizing that perimenopause starts in your 30s. A lot of the irritability, a lot of the tiredness, the weight gain is related to hormonal changes that happen long before you experience hot flashes and other symptoms like that. So I think the sooner I can see a patient, the better lifestyle and results they have. You don't want to wait until you're tired, you're angry, you're not sleeping well, your family finds you irritable to come in and do something. It really makes a huge difference. If you'd like more information, I encourage you to visit my website, www.revmeupnow.com. I look forward to speaking to you personally about adding life to your years.